Welcome back to a new episode of Monday to Monday. My name is Chris. As always, behind the camera, Jochem. Today, your dreams are being answered. We're going to drive the boat to Den Helder, get it out of the water, take a look how the bottom of the boat is looking, and do some bottom paint stuff. But first, we have to go to Den Helder, and it's a few hours of sailing, piloting the boat, you name it. Right, engine is already running, let's go. All of a sudden we had a bright idea to check the fuel, but we're good in fuel, plenty. Plenty. The Lister engine because it's so nice and calm and quiet. Wow. Yeah. We need those. Alright, technically we're on the North Sea now, or the Waddenzee, but we're still in the harbor. Salt water, always a nice moment when you're transferring from fresh water to salt water. So we have to wait for a phone call for the next log. And in the meanwhile we're going to enjoy the peace and quiet, because this little Lister engine, oh my. We're waiting for the lock to open, and the guy that controls the lock is in a meeting. So we're waiting. Sun goes down. It's getting colder. We shut the engine down. I hope it starts.
Probably will.
Probably. Probably.
Probably.
All right. The journey continues, and the old Lister started in one go by hand cranking. It's the next day. It's about 1 o'clock. I slept like a baby. Really tired yesterday, so yesterday it was too late to get the boat out of the water. So in about half an hour, she will be on the dry, and I'm really curious what's underneath her. So I'm walking to the boat now. They need my help a little bit because I forgot the keys, so we have to pull it underneath the crane. And when that is done, I will pick the camera up again. So now we're looking at where the keel is and where the propeller shaft comes out of the boat, so that we don't mess anything up. So I had some pictures. The water is really clear here, so we can see a few things. I think this will be fine. Hands are bleeding. I'm really curious how it's going to perform when it's back in the water, because this was a lot of junk on this boat. So we got the most of it is off. Now we're going to pressure wash it and then let it dry, and tomorrow I'll come back and start with finding the water line and starting with primer and all that kind of things. But first pressure washing. How do I look now? Probably in worse shape than the hole now, because it's almost clean. Well, clean for now. Oh, I forgot the rudder. This is heavy work, but it looks better already. So happy about that. Now I have to hurry up because I have to get home. So I'm finishing the rudder. And I think you see me tomorrow. Good morning! Here she is. I only have one thing to say about the weather. We're in Holland. This is what it is. Rain, a little bit rain, more rain. And to finish it off, a little bit more rain. So, I thought I did a good job yesterday. The owner of the yard told me I didn't do a good job, so we can get more off. So we're going to clean the boat, we're going to clean the deck because the boat is wet already. End of this day he will put it inside, and tomorrow we're going to start messing around with primer and bottom paint. Right. Can I say right?
Yeah, right.
I cannot say so.
Right.
Right.
Left.
So, let's say right. Alright. We decided to clean it in the color green. Because apparently that is the original color. It has been dark blue. It has the chimney is red. It has been light blue, and that's probably the color I'm going to paint it in. It's rust brown. Leave in the comments how you think we are feeling right now. Leave it. Say, how are
Have a
we
guess.
feeling? And we're going to clean up, go home. Tomorrow, it's Sunday. Tomorrow another day. And tonight, the harbor master is going to put it inside so that it can dry overnight. And then we can start with sanding and painting and all the things I don't want to do now. So, see you tomorrow. It's Monday morning. I'm back at the boat. Everyone is working again. So today I'm going to measure the water line because we need to primer up till here. So I need to measure the distance from here to here and then everywhere. So that's what I'm going to do now. I hope I can do a little bit of primer, but they're going to pressure wash another boat, so I think this one is going to be wet again tomorrow and the day after. Well, the rest of the week is nice weather, so it will be fine, but not in this episode because this is the last day. Tonight this episode is coming online, so I'm going to start. You can watch. See you later. So this is not ideal. Starts raining, pressure washing. I measured the water line as much as I could, but the water line is pretty much gone. So I got some points. I have to do the stern of the boat, and that's a mess as well. So not happy about this. I'm going home. I'm going to leave it with this because it's Monday. Tonight this episode is going live. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next week. Later.